So these are my original raw chocolate truffles. Some of you may know that I had a chocolate company, and when I started from scratch, it was a kitchen creation, and this was my kitchen creation, which is very simple. Raw ground almonds, raw organic maca, some organic carob, and then some pure date syrup and a little bit of coconut nectar. I've actually put a few dates in this as well. And you just whiz it all together until you can feel it becomes a tight ball, and the blender mixes it into this huge, big conglomerate, I guess, here. Taste it to ensure it's sweet enough. And then literally just take tiny teaspoon amounts, I guess, and roll them into your hands. Drop them into my carefully sieved raw cacao, and then pop them in a dish, ready to eat. And these are my raw chocolate truffles, full of goodness, full of vitamin E, full of good fats, and perfect for a guilt-free serotonin boost.